Ever pressed your clutch pedal and felt it go soft, sink to the floor, or make shifting gears almost impossible? Well, that might be because of a failing clutch slave cylinder. In this video, I'll explain what the clutch slave cylinder does, how it works, the most common symptoms when it goes bad, and when you should replace it. Stay tuned. Inside the slave cylinder is a piston and a rubber seal. Hydraulic fluid pressure pushes the piston outward. That movement disengages the clutch. When you release the pedal, the piston goes. If the seals wear out or fluid leaks, the whole system loses pressure, and your clutch stops working correctly. 1. Soft or spongy clutch pedal. A spongy clutch pedal usually means air is trapped inside the hydraulic line or fluid is leaking. Both are signs of a failing slave cylinder. 2. Clutch pedal sticks to the floor. When the slave cylinder fails, pressure isn't returned correctly, causing the clutch pedal to stay down. 3. Difficulty shifting gears. If it's hard to shift, especially into first or reverse, the clutch may not be disengaging fully due to low hydraulic pressure. 4. Visible hydraulic fluid leak. A slave cylinder leak usually appears as brake fluid like oil around the transmission bell housing. If you see fluid, that's a major red flag. 5. Low clutch fluid. If you constantly need to top up clutch fluid, the slave cylinder or master cylinder is likely leaking. 6. Clutch pedal vibration or pulsation. This can happen when the internal piston doesn't move smoothly due to wear or contamination. What causes slave cylinder failure? Most slave cylinders fail because of old, contaminated clutch fluid, worn or damaged rubber seals, high heat near the transmission, leaks from the clutch master cylinder traveling downstream, age and wear. To diagnose a failing clutch slave cylinder: 1. Check for fluid leaks around the bell housing. 2. Inspect the clutch fluid reservoir for low fluid. 3. Press the pedal and watch for delayed response. 4. Bleed the clutch. If no pressure builds, the slave may be bad. 5. Look for wet spots near the slave cylinder rubber boot. In most cases, replacing the slave cylinder is the best option. However, if the clutch does not fully disengage, you may also need to replace the clutch master cylinder, the clutch hydraulic line, or the entire clutch assembly if mileage is high. To extend the life of your clutch hydraulic system, change clutch fluid every 2 to 3 years. Avoid pumping the clutch aggressively. Fix small leaks before they become big problems. A bad clutch slave cylinder can make driving stressful and even leave you stranded. But now you know the symptoms and how it works. You can diagnose and fix it before it fails completely. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car repair guides.